Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. Previously, we were watching that Algorand was moving in a very big rising wedge pattern. Right now, we have broken down the support of the rising wedge, and now we are testing a price level support of 76 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal or we can break down this support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line was moving in this rising wedge pattern since December 2019, and we had several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support. And finally, we have broken down this support in the previous week, and we also broke down this yellow line that is the 50 weekly simple moving average. Very strong support, because the price line was also testing this 50 simple moving average again and again before every next bullish reversal. Now, after breaking down this support of the rising wedge pattern, it is testing another strong support that is stronger than previous simple moving average of 50, and this is the 100 weekly simple moving average. At the same time, we are also dropped at a very strong, and it is also a key support, that is 76 cents. Even from 76 cents to here, approximately 67 cents. This is a really very strong support zone, and you can see that the price line, whenever price line reached here, we had a nice bounces to the upside or to the downside. Like when it was breaking as a resistance here, we had a very strong rejection when we entered here. The price line spiked up to 76 cents here, but rejected, moved down, and we also had another rejection. But once the price line broke it out here, then this level has been breaking as a very strong support, and right now the price line is going to test this support in case if it will break down the support of the 100 simple moving average, or it can spike up to that level as well. At the same time, if we take a look at the RSI, the weekly RSI, then we can see so far the price line is forming higher than previous lows. Like the current low is higher than previous one, but the week is not ended, and it is possible that it will move more down and form another lower than previous low. So far it is likely to form a higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then it has clearly formed a lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame that is indicating that a reversal is possible from this support on the weekly time frame. Now, if we switch to the hourly time frame from this weekly time frame, then here we have the formation of a symmetrical triangle. Sorry, this is not the hourly time frame, this is the 4-hourly time frame. And here we have the support of this newly formed symmetrical triangle, and here we have the resistance. And right now you can see that the price line is again moving up to hit the resistance after getting bounced by this support, and it is getting more squeezed, so soon it can break down or break out the resistance. For example, if we will have a breakout from this triangle, then our next imminent target after the breakout can be $1.25, and in case of breakdown, our imminent target after the breakdown can be 69 cents. So we will be still moving in this very strong support zone in case of breakdown on this hourly time frame, because I've already told you that this is a very strong support from 76 to 67 cents. This 10-cent support level is a very strong support zone in the price line. Whenever moves at this level, it gets rejected strongly. So next few hours are really very important. You can see that the triangle is getting squeezed, and the time to break this triangle is very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.